What are the different branches of the legal system? Legal system की अलग अलग branches कौन कौन से आते हैं? The above case of robbery that falls within what the considered a crime against society and a violation of the criminal law. तो जो ऊपर दहेज की वजह से जो डेथ हुई है वो एक क्राइम है सोसाइटी के अगेंस्ट, उसके लिए क्रिमिनल लॉ ने बहुत सारे उन पर बहुत सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बनाए हैं. In addition to the criminal law, the legal system also deals with the civil law cases. You will read in chapter 4 of how a new civil law was passed in 2006 to protect the women against the democratic violence. Look at the following table to understand some of the significant differences between the criminal and the civil law. First is criminal law and the second column is civil law. First deals with conduct or act that the law defines as offenses. For example, theft, harassing a woman to bring more robbery, murder. Civil law deal with any harm or injury to right of an individual. For example, dispute relating to sale of the land, purchase of the goods, rent matter, and divorce cases. Second is, it is usually begins with the loading of an first information report (FIR) with the police who investigate the crime, after which a case is filed in the court. And the civil law, a petition has to be filed before the relevant court by the affected party only. In the rent matter, either the landlord or the tenant can file a case. Third is, if found guilty, the accused can be sent to jail and also be fined. And the civil law, the court gives the specific relief asked for. For instance, in a case between a landlord and a tenant, the court can order the flat to be vacant and the pending rent to be paid. Fill up the table given below based on what do you understand about the criminal and the civil law. Description of violation, branch of law, and the procedure to be followed. A group of girls are persistently harassed by a group of boys while walking to school. Branch of law, कौन से ब्रांच का ये कानून है और इसमें क्या प्रोसीजर है. A tenant who is being forced to move out files a case in the court against the landlords. अगर बच्चों आपको इसके आंसर्स नहीं आ रहे हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं. I will help you to solving this each and every questions of this chapter, and if you know the answers, then also you have to write the answer and you have to comment in comment section and along with your name, so that I will check the answer will be correct or not. If you don't know the answer, then also connect, so I will make a new video on the answers of this chapter. Does everyone have access to the court? क्या सभी के पास पूरा हक है कि वो कोर्ट जा सकते हैं? In principle, all citizens of India can access the court in this country. इंडिया के लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग कि सारे सिटीज़न जो भी यहाँ के वासी है, भारतवासी है, सभी को पूरा हक बनता है कि वो कोर्ट में जाए. This implies that every citizen has a right to justice through the court. इसका मतलब ये है कि सभी सिटीजन्स के पास, सभी देशवासियों के पास पूरा हक है कि वो देश की किसी भी कोर्ट में जाकर अपने हक की मांग करें. As you read earlier, the courts play a significant role in protecting our fundamental rights. If any citizen believes that their rights are being violated, then they can approach the court for the justice to be done. While the courts are available for all, in reality access to the courts has been difficult for a vast majority of the poor in India. Legal procedure involve a lot of money and a paperwork, as well as to take up a lot of time. For a poor person who cannot read and whose family depends on a daily wages, the idea of going the court to get the justice often seems remote. On response to this, the Supreme Court in the early 1980s, devised a mechanism of the public interest litigation on the PIL to increase access to justice. It allows an individual or the organization to file a PIL, public interest litigation, in the High Court or the Supreme Court on behalf of those whose right was being violated. The legal process was greatly simplified, and even a letter or a telegram addressed to the Supreme Court or the High Court could be treated as a PIL. In the early year, PIL was used to secure the justice on a large number of issues such as the rescuing bonded labor from the inhuman work conditions and securing the release of prisoners in Bihar who had been kept in the jail even after their punishment term was complete. Did you know that the midday meal that the children now receive in the government, and the government added the school in the because of a PIL, public interest litigation. See the photo on the right and read the text below to understand how this came about. Photo 1. In 2001, the drought in Rajasthan and the Odisha means that the million face an acute shortage of food. 2001 में जब ड्रॉट आया था, सूखा पड़ गया था राजस्थान और उड़ीसा में, तो बहुत से लोगों को एक्यूट शॉर्टेज हुई थी खाने की. Photo 2. Meanwhile, the government godowns were full of grain. Often this was being eaten away by the rats. So second में है कि गवर्नमेंट के जो गोडाउंस थे वो पूरे भर गए थे ग्रेन से, अनाज से, तो उस वजह से चूहों ने वहाँ पर हमला मोड़ लिया, खाना खाने लगे. Photo 3. In this situation of hunger, amidst plenty of an organization called the People Union of the Civil Liberties or the PUCL filed a PIL on the Supreme Court. It stated that the fundamental rights to life granted in Article 21 of the Constitution included the right to food. The state's excuse that it did not have an accurate funds was shown to be the wrong because the godown was overflowing with grains. The Supreme Court ruled that the state has a duty to provide the food to all. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला कि स्टेट की, उस राज्य की ड्यूटी है कि वो खाना सभी तक पहुंचाए. And in the photo 4, it therefore directed the government to provide more employment to provide the food at the cheaper price through the government ration shop and provide the midday meal to children. It also appointed 2 food commissioners to report on the implementation of the government schemes. For the common people, access to the court is access to justice. The court exercises a crucial role in interpreting the fundamental rights of the citizen. As you saw in the above case, the court interpreted the article number 21 of the Constitution on the right to life to include the right to food. They therefore ordered the state to take the certain steps to provide the food to all, including the midday meal scheme. However, there are also the court judgment that the people believe work against the best interest of the common person. For example, activists who work on the issue concerning the right to shelter and housing for the poor believe that the recent judgment on the eviction are the far cry from the earlier judgment, while recent judgment tend to view the slum traveler as the encroacher in the city. Earlier judgment, like the 1985 Ogla Tallis versus the Bombay Municipal Corporation, has tried to protect the livelihood of the slum dweller. Another issue that affects the common people access to justice is the inordinately long number of years that the courts has to hear a case. The phrase court delay is justice denied is often used to characterize this extreme time period that the court takes. Number of judges in India. Supreme Court section has strength 31, working strength 28 and vacancy 3. Section B High Court, sectionized strength 1079, working strength 645, and vacancies 434. And the district and the subordinate courts, sectional strength 22,644, working strength 17,509, and vacancy 5,135. It is the data in A and B as November 1, 2018, and in the C as in the September 2018. However, in spite of this, there is no denying that the judicial has played a crucial role in the democratic government, serving as a check on the power of the executive and the legislature, as well as the protecting the fundamental rights of the citizen. The members of the Constitution Assembly has quite collectively envisioned a system of court with an independent judiciary as a key feature of a democracy. So, discuss the impact of the shortage of judges on the delivery of justice to the litigants. Bachcho, I hope you understand each and every topic. And if you have any query related to this chapter or any video, then comment in comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.